Welcome to Untold Story Men's channel, bringing stories from men's side, stories which never heard. Today on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, we will talk about the right to equality as per Constitution of India. Equality before the law, Article 14. Article 14 treats all people the same in the eyes of the law. This article is described in two parts, which states and commands the state not to deny to any person equality before the law. Another part of it also commands the state not to deny the equal protection of the laws. This provision states that all citizens will be treated equally before the law and avoids any kind of discrimination. The law of the country protects everybody equally. Under the same circumstances, the law will treat people in the same manner. But is our system following the Constitution of India? Why do men not have equal rights in the law to protect themselves from the cruelty in relationships? Prohibition of discrimination, Article 15. This article prohibits discrimination in any manner. This article secures the citizens from every sort of discrimination by the state, on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth or of them. No citizen shall, on grounds only of race, religion, caste, place of birth, sex or any of them, be subject to any liability, disability, restriction or condition. The article also mentions that special provisions can be made for women, children and the backward classes notwithstanding this article. But while dealing with the special provisions for women, why do we start increasing discrimination with men? These special provisions are not helpful for the children who are being alienated from their fathers and families due to special provisions created for women. The Constitution of India guarantees freedom of speech and expression to all citizens. According to Article 19(1), all citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression. This implies that all citizens have the right to express their views and opinions freely. This includes not only words of mouth, but also a speech by way of writings, pictures, movies, banners, etc. The SC has also ruled that freedom of speech is an inalienable right adjunct to the right to life, Article 21. These two rights are not separate but related. The failure of the state to guarantee this freedom to all classes of citizens will be a violation of their fundamental rights. The voice of the people must be heard and their grievances are satisfied. The Constitution provides people with the freedom of expression without fear of reprisal, but it must be used with caution and responsibly. To strike a social balance. Freedom is more purposeful if it is coupled with responsibility. But we have seen that freedom of speech and expression is violated time to time for the men to express himself either in society, police stations or in the judicial system. Human rights of the men are always violated at every stage. When women say all men are ***, all men are potential ***. It is not treated as hatred speech and no action was or is taken against any person. But in reverse only men are made accountable and called as patriarchal or misogynist, whereas the whole society is going to be gynocentric. Right to life according to Article 21. Protection of life and personal liberty. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. This fundamental right is available to every person, citizens and foreigners alike. Article 21 provides two rights, right to life and right to personal liberty. The Supreme Court of India has described this right as the heart of fundamental rights. The right to life is not just about the right to survive. It also entails being able to live a complete life of dignity and meaning. But we are observing that women, after intentionally leaving their husband's house and sitting idle, become a burden to the husband as well as the government instead of working for their own life. And the system puts the burden of maintenance on the husband or alienated father, even who is the sufferer of the cruelty. His life and liability are not being considered as we heard. A husband has got a moral liability to maintain his wife unable to maintain herself, even if he is a professional beggar. Husband may beg, borrow or steal to maintain wife and child. Able-bodied husband cannot seek maintenance from wife as it would prompt idleness. Where is the Constitution of India for the men? Is it only applicable to women? Marriage is crime in India. Your fundamental rights are violated. Join Save Indian Family Foundation to speak up against the wrong. Share your untold stories, we will speak up for you. Please subscribe to the channel and share its work for the cause.